often go walking in meadows of clover, and I gather armfuls of blossoms of blue. I gather the flowers the whole meadow over. Dear mother, those flowers remind me of you. Oh mother, I give you my love with each flower, to bring forth sweet fragrance a whole lifetime through. For if I love flowers and meadows and walking, I learned how to love them, dear mother, from you. We love you.
That's so sweet.
Sorry that I cried.
We sounded prettier when we rehearsed.
Much prettier.
Oh, you sounded beautiful.
I bet we sounded good
Sound
to
like
Mom.
angels.
How nice.
Happy Mother's Day.
I sure have good daughters and a good son too.
You did a good job with us.
Oh.
Mwah.